So the reason why you don't have all the money you need right now to do everything that you're meant to do in your lifetime is because you were not meant to finance every dream and every business inside of you.
That's
right. Some of it was meant for you to use and utilize other people's money, the bank's money, using debt, using recession to build wealth, right?
Being a good steward.
Yeah. So
over what you have and then what comes in.
Yeah. So most people became really wealthy. Most billionaires become even more wealthier, right? In recession, because you understand when people are afraid to spend, that's the best time that debt is cheap. That's the best time to use debt to build wealth. Hello, rich friends. Welcome to another episode of the New Rich Podcast, the number one show and podcast for entrepreneurs, where we teach entrepreneurs and creators how to be successful with their online business, personal finance, and how the brain works and everything in between. And I have my co-host with me today, Dr. Faith Abraham. Say hello.
Hi. Hello, Richies. Welcome back.
Awesome. So good to see you all here. If this is your first time here, please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share with 5 rich friends that you want to also learn 1 or 2 things or glean 1 or 2 things from this episode. So now, Dr. Faith, how was your week?
It was busy.
Okay.
But I'd rather be busy than broke.
I like that.
I'd rather be busy than broke. I'd rather be busy than bored. So that's a good thing when I say busy. How about you?
It was busy recording podcasts and, hiring, interviewing. Yes. Our company is growing. This year, we just decided to go crazy with it. One of the ways people stay small in their business, they try to do too much. Right. And let me just say right now, this episode I've not even started, but let me just
you preaching something.
Yeah, let me just give a quick good stuff to some entrepreneur out there. The fastest way to grow your business this year is to hire people. I need to hire competent people. Hire people who add joy to your life, because entrepreneurship is already hard and tough by itself. So make sure you hire people with right attitude, positive, joyful, and skillful too, that can take things off your plate. Because the most valuable asset an entrepreneur have is their mind and their brain and their time. So as long as you have somebody or people to help you take things off your plate, it will help your business to be successful faster. So it's been a busy week with hiring, interviewing, just growing the team, because this year we want to really serve entrepreneurs and creators. Yes. Want to really help them to start and grow their business to 6, 7, 8, even 9 figures. So we put in the machinery and the structure in place, just like the scripture says, if the foundation be destroyed, what can the righteous do? So being that solid foundation so that we can empower, serve, and help more entrepreneurs this year.
I love it.
So for you, was there anything specific about your week? I know it's been busy. What have you been busy doing?
Yeah, well, one of the things that I was doing was I was paying off my credit card.
Yay!
Let me just take the road less traveled real quick here. In our relationship, for those of you who don't know, we are married. Been married for 18 years.
And counting.
And throughout the course of our relationship, our marriage, I have been the spender.
Oh, Lord. I play the fifth.
That's me.
Yeah.
And he is the saver. He is the calculator. He's like, did you go over budget this month? You look like you went over budget. Why did you buy this? There's packages at the door for you. Like all of that, that's him.
Yeah.
I'm not. I'm like, why didn't you just buy something?
Yeah.
Why would I buy something? And I'm like, why wouldn't you?
Yeah, I feel like my wife is addicted to Amazon. Like, She can't live without a package coming to the house every day or every other day, or go somewhere and not buy something. I can go to the mall and just walk around. I can go to a fancy place, walk around, just experience the place without any pressure or any feeling to buy something. But it's not the case for her. But
let's Chedekwe, let's really talk about this. The truth is, when you get a package, it lights up the kid in you. Yes or yes. Exactly.
Not for me. I like to save.
When you get a package, especially, and you didn't know there was going to be a package for you. Aren't you curious? Don't.
If I didn't have to buy it, I'll be happy. That's the one I enjoy.
Are you handy? Thank you. But no, I've gotten so much better. And
yes, you have. I'll give that to you. 2023.
Somebody record it, but we're recording. Okay, let's document this moment. He said, yes, I am getting better. I am getting better because I'm actually writing down the things that I'm purchasing, even if it's a quick trip to Starbucks, if it's something for the kids. Like, I have a ledger and I'm writing it down so that I can see, because when I swipe, I don't feel it. I don't. And I realize that I do have an emotional connection with spending. I enjoy it.
Okay, you got to unpack that a little bit.
Yes.
Emotional connection to spending. Because
yes.
There's some rich friends watching right now that probably also have an emotional connection with spending.
Here's the thing. And this is so poignant, especially with what we're talking about today, because we feel like, oh, I'm an entrepreneur. I'm a business owner now. Things are just going to work out. But you don't realize that as an entrepreneur, you're carrying all of your habits, all of your deficits, all of your stuff with you as an entrepreneur. So it's not like, oh, I'm not that good with my spending as a person. All of a sudden, magically, I'm just going to become so good with my spending as an entrepreneur. It doesn't work like that. There's no magic to it. However you are as an individual is how you are as an entrepreneur. And so when you start looking at debt and you look at your habits and you realize you do have an emotional connection to spend, for me, growing up, I didn't always have the ability to spend.
Yeah.
It was always, I'm the oldest of 5. So I have to think about everybody else. I have to think about everything else. I have to consider
and
this.
Parents were not they were not rich.
No, they're immigrants.
At the time.
So at the time, they were building.
Yeah.
Well, you're not going to go out there and just spend whatever you want. Me, I was a Lisa Frank addict. For those of you who know, you know. Lisa Frank was everything to me.
Yeah.
But you can't just go out and just buy all this stuff and buy the Babysitters Clubs because a new book came out, and like that was my thing back then. So now as an adult and I have money, it's like I'm gonna get what I want because I want it.
Yeah.
And as an entrepreneur, you kind of do the same thing, even if it's a premature purchase. And so that's how a lot of entrepreneurs end up in more debt than they're supposed to be in. And they're spending, buying this course, that thing, this thing, that thing. Oh, I need to buy this. Oh, I need to get that. Oh, once I buy this, I'm going to be able to put content out. But you still don't put out content because it's not about the content.
Wow.
It's about the emotional connection that you have to the money.
Hey, I'm Uyi Abraham, founder and CEO of Vonza.com.
And I'm Faith Abraham, co-founder of Vonza.com.
Yes, we created Vonza. I want to make it so easy, simple for online entrepreneurs, coaches, and creators to run their business online. Because we know how difficult it is to try to run a business online and have to deal with several tools and try to tie them all together, wasting time and money.
Absolutely. And so it just makes sense to have a platform that has everything you need to run your business online seamlessly in one place, like your website, your funnels, your online courses, membership community, scheduling, and a lot more things that are really going to help you be the best at what you do.
Vonza has made it easy for over 10,000 entrepreneurs to run their business online. So move away from the old and come into the new. Go right now to Vonza.com and get started to running your business online. Remember, Vonza is the best platform to run your business online. We'll see you right there. Vonza.com.
Vonza.com.